Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how can you paint your car wheel caps. So let's start the video. So guys, as you can see, I have brought this Abhi spray paint from Amazon. It is matte black color and its price is around 193 rupees. So first of all, clean the wheel caps. You can see I am cleaning it with Colin. So guys, as you can see, I have cleaned this and now we'll start painting it. So the first step is we have to shake the bottle so that the color mix evenly. And now we'll paint it. Second coat is done. Now we'll wait till it dries fully and then we'll install it on our car. So guys, this is how the rims look after installation. So guys, hope you like the video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.